Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about garlic, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with garlic. So if you're looking for something a little different to do, or you're not that familiar with using garlic, hopefully this list will help you out. We know that garlic goes well with basil, bay leaf, capers, chili pepper flakes, chives, cloves, ginger, other herbs in general, mint, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, saffron, sage, salt, thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.